Hey, good morning, guys. How's it going? Thanks for stopping by and checking out this video. Today, right now, me and Bruce back here, we're going to check out a solar store to check out some parts for Bruce to build his solar system. But there's a catch. It's inside the magic circle. You want to come with? Let's go. I'm here with my new friend, Corky Stanton, electrical wizard. You can find him at corkystanton.com. He builds these awesome units here. I'm not a solar guy, so I'm not going to talk about it. I'm just going to let him tell you, and maybe he can help you out too. So tell us what you do, Corky.
I've been helping people with solar as a hobby for years. I actually have 6,000 watts of panels on my RV.
Oh my.
I have four 600 amp hour batteries, just those 2,400 amp hours here, so I can go like a week with no sun. Wow. You know, all raining, unless I'm running my AC or electric heat, you know. But that's my original setup. Then I expanded over there. You can see all the wiring up there.
This is awesome.
The American flag right here.
Right on.
Anyway, and then I'm retired, but on the side I make these little solar boards, which saves people a lot of money. I mean, you could buy 4 250 watt solar panels and have 1,000 watts plugged into this. Yet if you have someone else professionally install the whole thing, it could be upwards of $5,000. Here I sell this whole thing with all the work that's done to it. The little shrink wrap, everything is, you know, overcoat and very, very safe as can be, so you never have to worry about that. All you do is just mount it to the wall. There's those screw holes, so like little wood screws, just mount it to your wall, and you connect your 2 solar panel wires and your batteries.
Oh wow.
And the fuses on everything. Okay, it's all protected all the way around. And then and also your load, which could be like an inverter, just
yes, sir.
There and there to the inverter, and you can go up to a 5,000 watt inverter. And this is $499. $499. Okay. Anyway, they weren't moving, but the reason they weren't moving, no one knew about them because I wasn't the best at, you know, advertising it, you know. But now that the word got out a little bit, every time I make them, I just made these 3 here, and you know, you might get one, but they'll be gone, you know. And so I have a lot more parts to come in, and I just make them right here on my table. I have all my tools. There's a tool rack right up there.
Look at that.
And there's a lot of work into it. You know, I put the ferrules on here and make it thicker wire than what you need. It's very durable. I mean, it's only 6 inches by 10 inches, so you can put it in a van.
Right on.
Any RV. If you sell your RV, just move it to another RV. You know, I mean,
awesome. It's such a clean build you did there. I mean, that's the kind of thing you want to show off, because that is craftsmanship right there.
And you don't have to worry about what size wires, what size fuses, and you know, having to watch all these YouTube videos on how to do it right, or worry about your whole RV burning down because you missed in the wrong size fuse or something.
Right. This
is all done correctly. All you do is a wrench. Just hook up your batteries and a Phillips screwdriver here for your solar. And then your load, which could be like an inverter or, you know,
whatever your load's going to be. Yeah, sure.
I did the hard part, and the easy part is just that. And also, no one in the world makes these. I'm the only one. It was my idea. I thought, why don't I just do all the wiring ahead of time, and then they just plug into it.
That's awesome. Yeah. And this is and he's using a Victron on here, which is that's good stuff right there. All the parts are high quality. I even have this in my van right now. It works awesome. So if you guys are interested in checking one of these out, go check out CorkyStanton.com, or you can find him cruising around Quartzsite. Stop him and say hello.
If you see this RV with all the panels in it, I mean, it's more panels than any Class C. I just said it because, you know, I'm crazy.
We could see it from about a half a mile away when we saw that side of it.
Yeah.
A shout out to Chuck's Vet Adventures. He's the guy that told me about this.
If you guys just want to see, this is some of the craftsmanship that this guy does. This is, I mean, this is like super awesome, Mr. Wizard's World kind of stuff. So make sure you check out CorkyStanton.com.
48 volts is what I recommend. Okay.
Okay.
Most people go 12 volts. Because of the new Victron models, like this one, it handles 48 volts. Okay.
Okay.
You can get like a 48 volt battery that's 50 amps, but if it was 12 volts, it'd be like 200 amps. Okay.
Okay.
And that would easily run with this, and it ends up being cheaper in the long run, way safer. The cables don't have to be as thick, you know, because everything converts to 12 volts anyway. I mean, it will handle 12 volts or 24 volts or 48. If you go to my website, you'll see the links to my business, and you can read about the 48 volts and all the pluses of that.
Sounds good. I'll leave a link down in the description so you guys can find all his good stuff. Corky, I want to thank you so much for letting me talk to you today.
Of course.
And I'm going to let you get back to business with Bruce, and I'm going to take a couple pictures of your solar setup.
Awesome.
Have a great one, Corky.
You too.
You know what I mean? He's not kidding around. This is just on the side. And then if you look, there's panels all the way up there too. 6,000 watts, man. What do you got there, buddy?
It's called meatloaf.
Holy crap, like a bat out of hell. No, that's like a big ass hunk of meat. Rockstar stuff, dude. And guess what? Roy's here, everybody.
Just putting it right on the grill.
Woo! Oh my God. After I saw what you did with those burgers, I can't wait to see what the 3-pound meatloaf is like.
Woohoo!
Can you guys see that wildlife trail? See it? You see that? That's where the critters travel when people aren't here. You can notice it when the sun's at the right spot. America. Hell yeah, brother. Came over here today, used old MacGyver Mark's shower. I smell a lot better now. Thanks, Mark. Though, I did use my shower. I just used his tent. And then we both ran out of propane. All right, so we're back over here, Marks. How long has it been since we...
Oh, it's been since 2:15, 3:15, this is 4:15.
All right.
So that's what, 2-3 hours?
Something like that.
Got another hour or so to go.
All right,
Check this out. The temperature's up to cooking.
that's the meat thermometer?
No, the meat thermometer is right,
The FOD.
right there,
All right.
132.
132, all right.
And this is what it's starting to look like.
Look at that. Biggity bam, buddy. Oh, oof. Oh my God, it smells good. Oh my
And
gosh.
that's dinner. Woohoo! So we've got about another hour or so.
Right on.
And we can have a good Quartzsite meal.
All right, that's what I'm talking about. And also, we got the 1836 in that meatloaf. 3 pounds of 1836 meatloaf on the GMG smoker right here, the Davy Crockett right here. If you guys want to send me a couple of these, that'd be cool. Oh, look at that, buddy. Just as the sun sets, you can see the colors start to change and Just gets better and better. This is gonna be a decent sunset, I think, tonight. Hanging out with my buddy Ron tonight. What do you think, Ron?
Yeah, it's a little bit too bright to look at it directly right now.
Yeah.
But if you look off to the side, you can kind of see the sunset over there until it gets behind the mountains. But it's about to be back there.
Yeah, you know, looking at the clouds in the sky, usually once it drops down, it's going to light up tonight, I think. So,
Another classic Arizona sunset.
yeah, they're coming. So, we'll see. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, so here we're back over at Mark's place. Oh my God, it smells so freaking good, dude.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
For what, 4, 5, almost 5 hours?
Oh.
We're about 20 minutes short.
Woo!
And I'm going to turn the food on. Look right there. And we are at 54.
154?
You know what?
We can look it up.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah. There
Oh
she
my
is.
gosh, look at that, dude. Rock and roll. Woo!
Okay.
That is an awesome smoker.
It's good stuff.
Oh my God.
We have to pull it out, cover it up, make some phone calls for our taters,
All right.
and I'm gonna throw some corn on,
Okay.
and it's time to eat after everything's ready.
Rock and roll, dude.
All right.
You look like if this was an old cowboy movie, you fit the role of that dude with the chuck wagon so good. All right, biggity bam, there he is. Look at him. What? Check it out. Oh, great, buddy. Ow. And then Matt hooked it up right there with that. Oh my gosh.
We can go over and bring one of those
Bruce is there. There's two over.
upholstered chairs over.
There's rock and roll, Ron.
Hopefully it's gonna be good, because this is the first time I ever done anything.
Dude, this smells so good. Like, all right, we're done. There you go. All kinds of food. See you. Bye. Hell yeah, brother. All right, everybody. That's going to do it for this one. I hope you enjoyed it. I wish you could have been here to try some of that meatloaf that Mark made, because I'll tell you what, it does not come across how amazing that was and how good it smelled out in the desert on the night we ate that. So this is a sunset from that night before we had dinner. And I was just kind of cruising around trying to get the light at the right spot and trying to get all artistic. So this is just a camera rolling from that evening sunset. It was a fun night, beautiful sunset. But that's going to do it for this one. We'll see you on the next one. Keep on vanning. Seeing what I can see, and what I can see is there's not a whole lot out here. Lots of room. Lots and lots of room out here yet.